All right, what's up, YouTube? Chris Gardiner here. Just wanted to share something really quick for you today. I saw this question in a group of, what do you replace blue skies with on a crappy day like I had today? Tons of rain in the frame. What do you replace skies with if you are not using Photoshop? And I thought I would show you something right here. You're going to watch it live in action. It's something like an action I've built that will just automatically go through, segment out these skies, and should get us a blue sky in the background. So I am on a Mac right here because I do my screen recordings. I'm just going to quickly jump over to a different computer that runs some automated processes, and we'll see these results show up right away. Shortly after I hit the command on the other computer, we got this delivery folder started up, and let's go in and see if we've already got some images. Yes, we have two. Oh, sorry, one. And the mask. So I keep the mask just in case, I want to see if anything went wrong with what it's doing. But there we go. Not too bad. I mean, obviously, it's not getting rid of the rain on the house. That's a significantly bigger task. But doing blue sky swaps without Photoshop, 100% possible. Even automated. And if you want to see what a mask looks like, there we go. Kind of rough mask. We've got the sky where it'll paste in my sky, and it looks for a few small stragglers like tree branches, which wasn't such a problem today, but sometimes it is. And there we go. So automated sky swaps. If you want to know how to do something like this, let me know. I'm thinking about making some sort of short, not super short tutorial, because it does take a little bit of work. But after you get something like this ready, you never have to spend time selecting skies out for sky masks again. You can see it's cranking them out maybe 2 per minute. And I'll just show you the selection as soon as it's all finished up. Let's see how much time elapsed. This image created today, 2:17 p.m. and that was the first one, and the final one, 2:22. And how many did it do? 20 in about 5 minutes. There's no way I could do that myself in Photoshop. But if you are looking to learn how to do this in Photoshop, I've also got a video on my YouTube from a couple years back. It'll teach you all the steps to get a product basically exactly like this one. But now it's much more easier for me to, provide a much greater selection, like to do 20. I wasn't doing 20 for clients for free before. Now I can, just because it's a 5-minute process, automated. So that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to leave a like, comment if you want to learn some more about how I did this. And we'll catch you on the next one.